Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So I've been letting you know about Microsoft replacing and updating the SecureBoot certificates on Windows 10 and Windows 11 because they're getting quite old now. They are set to become 15 years old this year in 2026. And if we head to my update history, I've already received my new SecureBoot certificate under other updates, as I have mentioned previously on the channel, which is SecureBoot Allowed Key Exchange Key Update. And this will roll out to older devices. My other device that runs Windows 10 is a newer device than this one. And I haven't received any updates because obviously the updated certificates have already rolled out and were part of it when it was manufactured. And that's Microsoft replacing the older certificate with the new 2023 certificates. And basically, SecureBoot certificates, just as a quick recap, are quite important for protection against malware like bootkits in the boot manager. Now, just to let you know that with the Patch Tuesday security update that rolled out last week, which is KB 5089549, I'll leave the video for the update linked. Microsoft rolled out a change which they did quietly underneath the radar, where Microsoft never mentioned that it was adding a new folder for SecureBoot certificates. But then what happened is that users were starting to notice the folder, which wasn't there prior to the update. And now because of this, Microsoft has updated the documentation to clarify the situation. So if we head over to the support document for the update and we scroll down, Microsoft has said under SecureBoot, this update adds a new SecureBoot folder under C Windows on eligible devices. The folder contains example scripts intended for organizations with IT professionals who actively manage updates across their device fleet. These scripts can be used to detect SecureBoot certificate update status and automate deployment via a safe rollout mechanism in an Active Directory environment. So that's what the folder is all about. So basically, in a nutshell, Microsoft is saying that it's meant for IT admins or enterprises, but it's been rolled out for everyone on eligible devices. Now, if I quickly head into my File Explorer and we head to our C drive, or the drive your Windows is installed on, and we head to our Windows folder, here you'll see New SecureBoot. That's the folder I'm talking about, SecureBoot. And if we double click on that, it says example rollout scripts. And we click on that. Here you'll see the new SecureBoot folder contains 7 PowerShell scripts that Microsoft, as mentioned in the support document, has built for IT admins. So if you're wondering what this mystery folder was all about, according to Microsoft, that's what it's about. So it doesn't actually change anything on your PC on their own. These scripts have to be run by IT admins. And basically from your side, there's nothing you have to do about these scripts or the SecureBoot folder itself. And if we just have a quick look at the complete size of the SecureBoot, if I hover over that, it's 458 kilobytes. That's not even a megabyte, so I don't think it's something to worry about in regards to using storage. And basically, I would advise just leaving the SecureBoot folder alone, because a future Windows update might either require it, or the folder could be removed entirely in a future update. So just to prevent anything from going wrong in updates, I would just leave the SecureBoot folder alone. But just wanted to pop this quick video up to get us all on the same page. As I say, if you're wondering what that is, that's what it's all about according to Microsoft. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.